Bedwars with Echo. No further explanation needed. I'm pretty bad, so just give me a break, okay, guys? Echo, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, you have crappy connection. I doubt they even heard you say that.
Yeah.
Sorry for the crappy audio, guys.
Good at the game.
Does hypixel become not laggy whenever you purchase MVP+++?
Yeah, that's how it kind of works around here.
That makes sense.
I really hate you. I'm like at 2 frames per second. Jeez.
Echo.
Oh, there's actually someone here.
Wait.
Oh god.
Help me. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's see. I wonder.
It's just because you don't have MVP++.
Yeah, I don't have MVP++, folks. So that's why I'm lagging so bad. I'm gonna get protection armor with the 2 diamonds that I just got.
Right now.
Maybe turn like everything off on worst client, like everything.
Yeah, it is off.
Okay, that's good. I don't. Well, it's kind of funny you're using worst client on hypixel right now.
I swear everything is. I quit pretty much everything except for Discord and Minecraft. And it's still so laggy. It is so freaking laggy.
Did that just happen? Did I just witness you just fall into the void like that? Did I seriously just watch that happen?
Yes, you did. Oh my god.
Ah! I killed Goofy.
Well, hey, eye for an eye.
Yeah. He's got one of those annoying sub to programmer. He's a YouTuber, obviously. Evidently, the YouTubers are recording killing the other YouTubers. So yeah.
We're in a YouTube video,
Pog. Well, I mean, we are. You are, because I'm actually recording right now. I'm gonna edit this whole chunk of chunkiness in a second. Pog. Where's the Goofy?
Can't freaking find him. There's no.
Oh, I see. Goofy's coming back. Goofy.
There's 2 people at. No, wait, those are just the shops. Okay. I just saw on Tracer's.
Wait.
They're coming back.
We gotta get some fireballs. Hold on. Come back. We gotta get some. Okay, wait. You guard over there and tell me when they're coming, and I'll hit them with a fireball. Okay. Oh, I have like freaking like 8 emeralds on me. No, he's so goofy. Ugh! He's stupid and he has an unoriginal skin. He's so stupid. Oh my god.
Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho!
This son of a bitch.
Okay, here, wait. Let me just get something.
Come on. He's just such an unoriginal skin. Why is he using Tapple skin? Make your own skin, bozo.
Hey, that's not Tapple's skin, it's a banana.
Yeah, but that's so unoriginal. Oh, oh, he's back. The Goofy Odd Kid's back. Ugh. He's just camping our bridge. Can you help me kill him or something? Cause like, I want my stuff back.
I have 6 total fireballs.
Okay, crap. Just fireball his ASS off there. Do you see him?
Yeah, come on, buddy. Keep it family friendly.
I didn't cuss. I just.
As in.
Oh yeah, yeah. He's that much of a coward. He knows he can't handle us. I hate his donkey. What? What? Come on! Come on! What? How did he get over there? What?
Using the other bridge.
Fireball him! Do something!
I know, I'm still lagging.
Kill the Goofy-ah. Just spam his ASS. Okay, come on. Oh, I know what he's gonna do. I know what he's gonna do.
He's gappling.
Ah! Okay, just run, straight up, just run. We're hiding.
I used all my fireballs.
I hate this Goofy! You fucking suck!
He was on 4 HP. Mine at 23.
Okay, thanks for watching. Blah 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 blah. gosh!